Hi, kindergarten. You are going to get your win packet and turn to the page with the 4 at the top. And this will be the win packet that you picked up in the last material pickup. So, to begin, the first directions at the top say read, trace, and write. So this first word, we're going to sound out, and we know the letter sound of each of these letters. So we're going to say t, ooh, and the word says to. So we read it, and then you're going to trace over with your pencil, and trace over the letters that they have right here, and then you are going to write it on your own in the blocks. So you're going to do the same thing for this word. And you know the letter sounds of a U. A U says and a P says p. Up. So we read it, you trace them, and then write it on your own. Down here, the next one says beginning sounds. That means we are going to start sounding out the picture, and we are going to write the letter we hear at the beginning of that word. So for this one, it is a cat. So what is that first sound you hear in cat? That's right, it's a C. So you're going to write a C for that beginning sound. Good job. The second one is a rectangle, right? We know that shape, a rectangle. So what is that beginning sound of rectangle? Write that letter there. This next picture is a ghost. G. What is that beginning sound? Put that letter here, under the box. For the directions here, it says extend my pattern. And we've been working on patterns. So you can see that there's a picture of a Frankenstein, 2, that's right, squares, picture, 2 squares, picture, and then what ends the pattern? And put that in this box. Look at the next pattern. Legs and 3 straight sides is a triangle. So we have legs, 2 triangles, legs, 2 triangles. What are you going to put to end that pattern? Put it in this end box. Missing numbers. So we have several different missing numbers, and they gave you a number line here that you can refer up to, or of course you can get out your number line that I gave you. So you can see 12, 13, 14. I see up here 12, 13, 14. Next number would be a 15. So I'm going to write 15. And you're going to do that with the rest of these numbers. So 21, 22, 23. I'm going to look up here. I'm going to find the next number after 23 and write it in this block or this line. Over here, I see 12, 13. Oh, what is missing in between 13 and 15? Look up at your number line. Which is the number that's between 13 and 15? And I'm going to write that number on the line. All right, once you've finished this page, take a picture of it on Seesaw and show me all your hard work. Thank you.